So a slow motion snowstorm is going to move over most of New England over the next 3 days, right through Monday night, and it's going to bring probably about a foot of snow and maybe even more through central New England, with a little bit less to the north and a little bit less to the south, because in the south it's going to be part rain, and in the north it's going to be just on the edge of the storm. Anyway, it's actually going to pivot over us kind of like this, and just sit over us for that whole time. So it's going to be really long duration of snow, which is going to be lots of fluffy snow. Not going to be any one day where there's like a huge dump of snow, but every day there's going to be several inches of snow, and it's really going to pile up, and the roads might get a little bad, but it's also going to mean even more snow on top of the 1.5 feet or so that most New England already has. So expect a lot of snow, and then it's going to get really, really cold. It's going to snow again on Thursday, and then it's going to get maybe the coldest night of the year Friday night, so stay warm.